Are you also facing issues while registering for Goethe examinations? Then here we are. Hello everyone and welcome back to Language Pension's YouTube channel, your go-to source for learning German language. My name is Jen and in today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the registration process of Delhi Goethe examinations. So if you are planning to give the Goethe exam, this video is for you. And make sure you watch the video till the end, as I'm going to give you very helpful tips, which is going to make your registration process quite easier. So, here we go. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Delhi Goethe's website. You can find the link in the video description below or on Language Pension's website as well. Step 2. On the website, you would find My Goethe tab on top right. Click on it and go to login. This process is a very important step to save time while registering. It would be highly advised to do this step beforehand. You will be directed to a login page. If you haven't registered yourself yet, click on register and fill in all the required details as shown. That is your email, the password, the country you live in, and submit. Click on register. You will also be asked to activate it from your Gmail account. So you have to confirm it there and then log in further. Step 3. Once you are done with the process, come back to the Goethe's website. You will now find the German language tab on top right. Click on it. Further, you see German exam tab. Click on it. Step 4. All the possible centers where the examinations are conducted will be visible on screen. As this video is specifically for New Delhi examinations, we would click on New Delhi, and there you will see the list of levels along with the subcategory. So the young people category is for minors, that is children below 18 years. We would therefore click on the adults category. Let's assume we are registering for A1. Step 5. After selecting the level, you will be presented with a calendar displaying available exam dates. Select the date that works best for you. As of now, the only options available are 1st April and 29th April. Let's just click on that. You see the option of book there. Click on the book option. Step 6. Once you have chosen the date, you will see the details like module, exam fee, etc. Make sure you read all the details carefully before clicking on continue. Step 7. The page asks if you are booking it for yourself or for someone else. Click as required. Step 8. The next step takes you to the booking page, and here you see two available options: login and register. As we have registered ourselves already, as shown in the beginning of the video, we now just have to fill in our details and click on login. In case you haven't registered yourself beforehand, you are supposed to register at this step. Then you will also be required to fill in the further details, and then you have to click on register. Step 9. After filling the form, it's time to make the payment. In case you have any promotional code, then you may fill it. Else, just click on continue. And please note that only internationally enabled credit cards are accepted for the payment. Complete the payment process. You are supposed to recheck all the details very carefully. You can also edit if there's a mistake.
Clicking on continue will take you to the payment gateway page. And this is what your payment gateway page looks like. You are here supposed to fill the details as shown, for example, your card number, the month, year, and the further details. Please make sure you write all the details carefully and correctly. Click on Pay. You will be redirected to the Payment Successful page. And your registration is done. After successful registration, you will get a confirmation mail from Goethe.
I hope I was able to assist you with step-by-step guidance. In case you still have any doubts, you can tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.